quick. Our first post-Cutie Mark meeting of the Cutie Mark Crusaders is now in session.
Is it recording? Oh, it is. Okay. Well, hello everybody. Today, I'm Apple Bloom, and I'm making a tutorial video. Let's see. Miss Fro and Sweetie have asked me about, well, Miss Fro has asked me how do I make the channel, not the channel, but the channel, like, how do I name it and all that. I don't know how to explain that. And Sweetie has also asked me how do you make a banner. So in this tutorial, I'm going to do both, but pretty much in one while I'm making my third new channel. Yeah. Anyway, I only have two, which is Apple Bloom and Queen Crystal. Only two for the moment, but this will be my third one. I would do, I don't know, something. I just got a little bit excited. Anyway, yeah. Here we go. Wait, let me pause this real quick, because I just see it right here. I gotta upgrade it just a tiny bit, but it's brand new. Yeah, gotta change that out there too. Oops. Y'all won't see that though. Maybe I will let y'all see that, but that was an accident there. Anyway, yeah, so don't know what I'm at description yet. I have something in a second there, I will put my, anyway, so wait, hold on, I was watching a video. Okay. Yeah, YouTube desktop. Now, as you know, this is my second channel, not my main channel. Make sure to put YouTube desktop in there. And what I'm going to do now is switch. Now, how do I switch now? Oh, right. I'm going to actually pause here because there's some stuff I do not want to. It's going to show my Gmail, so let me pause real quick. Okay, I'm back now. Anyway, it might send you directly to YouTube, but if it does do that, just exit back, and then you'll get here. So yeah, now I know about that. Okay, yeah. Don't know about that yet. Well, I do know about that. I mean, I ain't decided to use that yet. Anyway, so yeah, this is basically how you create your channel. But in order to do that thing, I'm gonna show the channels and all that. You have to make your channel, start with a channel. So yeah, once you've done that, you can finally go on to the next step, which is she'll put you right in the YouTube on the website, not the app. Alright, give me a minute here. Not the actual YouTube. Sorry about this. It's been a while since I created that new account. Give me a moment. Okay, now, once you are finally able to go to this page right here, it took some attempts to get here. But it might be easy for y'all, but it was kind of hard for me to get here on my Chronicles. So anyway, I'm going to have to pause again because it's going to show my Gmail. Oh, Lordy. But before I do pause, you're going to want to click on the icon on top right next to the bell for your YouTube channel. And I'm going to have to blur that out. Anyway, once you do that, you're gonna see YouTube Studios. There used to be Creative Studios, I think it was, but it still is. But it's really hard to get to. I mean, basically, I had to go back to my history and go all the way down to it. Oh yeah, so they trying to remove that feature. Don't know why. So feature, but this is a new feature anyway. Which I do used to use both of the features. I don't know why they're taking that one away. They should take this feature right here away because it was tiny. It was kind of difficult to use at first, a long difficult. But this is really not where you go to. I messed up there. You're not supposed to go to YouTube Studio. Yeah, cover that. You are supposed to your channel. Now it's gonna send you here, your channel. Upload a video to get started. Well, I will upload one video, which will be this video. So I'm going to also, so this will be the first video on this channel. Or maybe not. Maybe I do a different video. Oh my god, that thing is big on myself. Never mind. Anyway, you want to go to Create Studios, and you can do this on PC or not PC. Any touchscreen phone device, really. You want to go to Create Channels. Okay, and then it's going to send you here. Yep, I'm going to upgrade all that, so yeah, and wait. I might add some, what's the person's name? Hold on, give me a second. I forgot. No, I didn't forget, but oh, got a response fine. Response is 10 minutes late, but it's still a response. I mean, it's not impossible. Anyway, back to my conversation. Now, this is how you do the channel thing. Before I get to that though, we got videos, got playlists, we got channels, we got descriptions. Yeah, you can pretty much type anything here if you want, but we got about me, ain't filled that out yet. That's where you can email it if you want to, for some business. If you want to open a business, something. And we're going back to the home page. Now, you can also add another one here. See what we're gonna get this video. If I want to add one more, I'm gonna add previously uploaded. Uploaded. I'm gonna add one more thing. I think I'm gonna add the upload is already on here. Oh, well, I think that's it. Previously uploaded? Didn't I put that on there? Okay, yeah, I already put that on there. So anyway, this is from Miss Troy here. How to create a channel. That thing on the channel I was talking about. You can really change this thing to anything you want, like pretty much anything you want. Okay, I'm gonna change it to, let's see. Oops. Again, oops. Yep. Has been nice. I might change that later. Pony time has been nice. Pony team has been, oh, we're messing up. Anyway, and then like, what you want to do now is like, you need another channel that you want to put in here. So I'm going to put I want to put my Miss Fro, and then I'm going to put Sweetie Belle here. Give me a second. Be real quick. Okay, you are going to need a URL. Sorry about that. I'm going to put Sweetie Belle here. Yep. Just going to add that in the bottom. There we go. That is also her channel. She also has some more channels, but I don't know if she want me to say the rest of them. I mean, like, well, she does have them, but I had to get a new phone. So anyway, I don't know if she still access to them. Anyway, though, that's one of the URLs, and the other URL, Miss Fro. So BRB real quick. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that again. And yeah, have to get a URL, Miss Fro URL. Miss Fro actually has 2 channels. This is one of them. I believe it's the first one. I'll put it right next to Sweetie Belle. So these are the 2 people that asked me for this tutorial video. I will also leave the links down below in the description to their channels. As for Miss Fro's second channel, I guess I can also link to that. Guys, maybe. Anyway, gonna do this match done, and ta-da. So Miss Fro, that is how you do that. And the proof is gonna show there. I'll be going to the main, not the main, but back to the first bit where I did this before. Anyway, but first how this is not for Sweetie Belle Love. Well, it wasn't all the way for Love, but Nashville. Anyway, it's for Sweetie Belle Love. How do you create a banner? Well, now this is the part where I go make a banner real quick. Well, I go get the pieces to make the banner and show you how to make the banner. But there's lots of ways you can make the banner though. But I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back now. Sorry about that. Oopsie. Let's refresh this real quick. Don't know why that's not in the favorites channel, but you know. Hold on. Oh my god. There we go. Okay, now to add a banner, it's gonna go here to, you know, add channel art. Now it's gonna go to all the, you know, what the banner has to be, you know, where you put the banner. You can see right there where it says the banner has to be 2560 times 1440. And the size of it has to be like 6 megabytes, okay? 6. Now you can click here, there's a link right there, how to create an art banner, you know, how to create a banner. Or, you know, if you got a specific one like I do, like your phone. Well, I don't have it on this one, but anyway. Then you got these right here. They give you some free banners, but I'm gonna create a banner. See now, I'm like, go here, select one of my pictures. Go to files. Okay. Gotta go here. Oh, those are my thumbnails. My bad. Sorry about that. Go to images, and you know we're going to go pick one. Now, once you pick one, it's going to ask you which banner do you want. None of these are banners. I haven't made the banner yet. But you know, this, for example, we'll just click one, see where it go. See, not gonna work. It says the picture you uploaded is too small. It must be at least 2448. Well, that's weird. 2448 pixel wide and 1152 pixel tail. Now let's go make that banner real quick, which is kind of easy, really. Anyway, BRB. Okay, now this is how I'm gonna make the banner real quick. First, let's try to make this a tiny bit. Okay, right there. Go with this one. Put it right there. It's right here. Put them like close together. Well, not too close. Maybe like, yeah, a little bigger. Put this one right over here, like that. Put this like in the middle here. I think that'll be. That's a good banner right there. All right, now, and presto, one good you know, banner. I don't even want to touch this. Yeah, I'm not gonna touch that. Alright, select. Have to refresh the page. Don't know why, but you know. Okay, that was weird. Let's go back here. As you see, I had to remake a couple times because, you know, it has to be small, like this. Don't know why I can't like this. But, you know. Uploading. Not a day, says. Not a day. Video. Why is it taking that long? Shouldn't take that long, but okay. It's weird, but okay. Okay, and as you see right there, select, presto. I might have to redo that once more because it's a little too high to the top, but that's how you make the banner, and I showed how I make it as well. So I might have to redo that. Y'all ain't gonna see it like that. Heck no, bro. It's a little too high to the top. But it's hard to get it perfect, though. So, yeah. That's how you do a banner. So you make a banner. Hope you enjoyed this YouTube tutorial. I'm sorry that it was not good like the other ones was. Or perfect, but, you know, biggest game we choose and not perfect like that. But, yeah. I am Fluttershy. No, I'm Apple Bloom. No, I'm Apple Bloom.
Here in the kitchen talking to myself, I can.
Apple Bloom.
Whoa!
You'll see. Everything'll be better in the morning.